Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Helping Mind. Good Lock is a featureful app for Samsung Galaxy Android phone, but the app is not available in all countries, and we can use this Good Lock app in all countries to follow this video. By following this way, we can install Good Lock in Galaxy A30, A32, A50, A52, A70, A71 and A72. See the full video to learn about how to install Good Lock in Samsung Galaxy A30, A32, A50, A52, A70, A71 and A72. Keep watching. At first, I have to tap and hold Galaxy Store. I will tap on App Info, and here I will tap on Storage, and here I will tap on Clear Data. Here I will tap on OK to clear the data. The data is deleted from Galaxy Store. Now I will go to my phone screen. Now I will go to my Play Store to install a VPN named Singapore VPN. I will search the Singapore VPN on my Galaxy Store. I will tap on first one. Here you can see the VPN is already installed on my phone. So you have to install this VPN on your Samsung Galaxy phone from Galaxy Store. Play Store. And in these steps, you have to take out your both SIM card from your Galaxy phone. I will check my SIM card management. Here you can see there is no SIM card on my Galaxy Android phone. So you have to install this Good Lock with Wi-Fi. Now I will connect the VPN on this phone. I will tap on Singapore VPN. Here I have to tap on connect to connect the VPN with my internet. It will be connected. You can see disconnect. That means the VPN is connected. Now I will open my Galaxy Store. I will tap on Galaxy Store. The Galaxy Store is opening. Here I will tap on continue. Here we can see the Galaxy Store is open. In the search box I will write Good Lock to search the Good Lock app on Galaxy Store. After writing, I will tap on search. You can see the Good Lock is already appear on Galaxy Store. I will tap on install to install the Good Lock. I will skip the whole process of download, and you can see the size is 2.88 megabytes, and it takes a couple of seconds, and it depends on your internet speed. You have to use full speed internet. Installing, you can see the Good Lock is installing. You can see the Good Lock is already installed. I will tap on open to open the Good Lock. Here we can see many features app. We have to install this feature app. I will tap on LockStar to install the LockStar, and it's loading. Here you can see I will tap on install, and it will be downloaded. And after install, I will skip the whole process of download. I will install the all feature apps one by one. You can see installing, and it takes also a couple of seconds. Installation complete. Now I will minimize the Galaxy Store window and go to my Good Lock app. I will tap on Good Lock app. Here I will tap on Clockface to install the Clockface from Galaxy Store. Now I will tap on install, waiting to download, and it will be downloading automatically with your internet speed. I also skip this process of QuickStar speed. Installing. Installation complete. Now I will go to my good lock app to install the other feature app. Here I will tap on Clockface to install the Clockface from Galaxy Store. Now I will tap on install. Waiting to download app. Downloading. We can see the preview of installing. The size is also 16 megabytes. Installation complete. Now I will go to my good lock, and here I will tap on MultiStar download icon. Here I will tap on install to install the MultiStar from Galaxy Store. You can see downloading. After downloading, it will be started install. The size is also 11 megabytes. Installation complete. Now I will go back to my good lock and I will tap on NavStar, and it's opening. Galaxy Store. I will tap on install to install the NavStar feature from Galaxy Store. Downloading. The size is also very small, 3 megabytes. Installing. You can see the preview. Installation complete. Now I will go back to my good lock app. Here I will tap on home app. The home app is opening. I will tap on install. Downloading preview. You can see the downloading preview. I will skip the whole process of downloading. The size is also 16 megabytes. Installing. We can see the installing preview. Installation complete. Now I will go back to my good lock app, and here we can see the last one, NotiStar. I will tap on NotiStar, and the NotiStar is open. I will tap on install to install the NotiStar feature from Galaxy Store. We can see the downloading preview. The size is also very small, 4 megabytes. I will skip the whole process of download, and we can see the installing preview. Installation complete. Now I will go back to my good lock, and here we can see the LockStar, QuickStar, Clockface, MultiStar, NavStar, home app, and NotiStar is successfully installed. Now I will tap on family, and I will install the family features app. Here you can see Keyscape. I will tap on install, and I will also install the all feature apps under family menu. Here you can see the downloading preview. The size is also 17 megabytes, and we can see the installing preview. Keyscape is also successfully installed. Now I will go back to my good lock. Here I will tap on theme park to install the theme park features from Huawei Wonderland. I will tap on install. Here I have to add the Samsung account on my Galaxy phone, unless we will not install this next features. So you have to add the Samsung account on your Samsung phone, and it will be installed automatically after add the Samsung account on your Galaxy phone. You can see the installing preview. The installation is complete. Now I will go back to my good lock, then tap on theme park. I will install the theme park, then tap on install. We can see waiting to download app and downloading preview. Actually I have skipped the whole process of downloading and installation process to maintain the time. You can see the installing preview. The size is also very small, 8 megabytes. Installation complete. Now I will go back to my good lock, and here I will tap on nice catch. Nice catch. I will tap on install to install the nice catch feature. Downloading preview. We can see the downloading preview. The size is 3 megabytes. We can see the installation preview. Installation complete. Now I will go back to my good lock, then tap on one hand operation plus. I will install the one hand operation plus. Tap on install, and we can see the downloading preview. The size is 3 megabytes. We can see the downloading preview. We can see the installation preview. Installation complete. Now I will go back to my good lock app, and we can see the SoundAssistant. We have to install this SoundAssistant from Galaxy Store. I will tap on install, and we can see the downloading preview, and this is the last feature of good lock under family menu. You can see the downloading preview. The size is 13 megabytes. We can see the installation preview. It's installing. It takes a couple of seconds. I will skip the whole process. Here we can see the installation is complete. Here we can see the CUK Wonderland, theme park, nice catch, one hand operation plus, and SoundAssistant. Now I will close the all window from my screen. Now I will open my good lock app. I will move the good lock app on my screen. Here you can see the good lock app icon. I will open the good lock, and here we can see the all features of good lock. You can see I will make all features video step by step. You can see the family features and unit features, LockStar, QuickStar, Clockface, and other features. And the emerging feature is available on 3.1 UI version of Samsung Galaxy Android phone. So viewers, hope this video will help you to install good lock on your Samsung Galaxy A30, A32, A50, A52, A70, A71, and A72. If you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up and share the video with your friends who want to know how to install good lock in their Samsung Galaxy Android phone. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.